5 ways to reduce wasted spend in Google Ads. Number 1, negative keywords. Checking the search term report daily can help reduce spend very quickly. Adding in negatives can reduce irrelevant search terms, but also help find gold keywords to later add into the account. Number 2, ad schedules. Checking on the top converting hour of day, day of week, and reducing the spend on the poor performing times can free up ad spend for the top converting times. Number 3, test automated bidding. Automated bidding on Google has come on leaps and bounds in the past year and is a must for all accounts. However, having the right automated bidding for your account is huge. There are 5 different types of automated bidding, and these range from increasing your conversion value, increasing your conversions, to achieving a target CPA. Testing these out can have a huge impact and help reduce the CPCs and reduce your overall cost per acquisition. Number 4, audience bidding. It's not just about bidding extra on your top performing audience, but also reducing spend and bids on poor performing audiences. Ones that don't convert well, ones that have generated lots of clicks and have no conversions. Reducing spend on these can help free up additional spend for your top converting audiences. Finally, number 5, quality score. This is the big one. Having a high quality score can help increase your average position and decrease your overall CPCs. Easiest way to do this is to keep your content relevant. Having relevant keywords, ads and landing page is the easiest and quickest way to increase your quality score, and by doing this, reducing your overall spend.